How's it, guys? Welcome back to another live stream here. Yeah. Okay. How's it, guys? What? How's it, guys? Welcome back to another live stream. I'm CryptoNinja, and I will be going over the most. Sorry about that. I had technical difficulties. Okay. Yeah, so I've got a lot of charts that I want to go over. Okay. How's it, guys? Welcome back to another video today. I'm CryptoNinja, and I'll be going over the most important level. Okay, so if we look at Bitcoin, for example, let's have a look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. So you can see that BTC is still currently trading below 65,400, which was our level that we're looking at today. If you guys do follow me on Twitter, you know that I was looking at a sell today for Bitcoin, Shiba, and Filecoin. We are still currently in these sells. If we have a look at Bitcoin, it's still looking like it wants to sell off right now. You can see that we literally just closed below the low over here, expecting price to come down. The 1-hour candle did just close bearish. So this is a signal that we possibly going to come back down to the lows. I am looking at more downside within today. So we are currently in a couple of positions. You can see that we're in Filecoin and Shiba. We did take these trades quite a bit earlier. You can see that we did actually post these on Twitter. So make sure you guys always follow my updates, because this is what we've been trading today. But overall, market looking very, very weak. I am expecting more downside within the next couple of days. Maybe just today, we'll see if Bitcoin can tap into that 62K that we were speaking about. If Bitcoin can tap into that level, then we're most probably going to see the altcoins start to dump a lot more. So you can see right now, Shiba is dumping very, very nicely. We are obviously short here. It's looking really, really good. So we're going to be holding this until 0.401744. That is going to be our take profit, because that is your daily low. Remember, daily lows and daily highs, the probability of price coming back to those points are more likely. So there is a possibility that we're going to see that level today, especially with the sell-off that we are experiencing right now. I honestly do think that we are going to see a push to the daily low. So we're going to be holding this trade for the next couple of hours. Bitcoin, we have to break 65K in order for it to go down. Currently holding that level right now. But most importantly are what's happening with the altcoins. Because if we have a look at Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance, right? So Bitcoin dominance is what's going to show us, and you can see it's absolutely so bullish. You can see right now that this was a level I was looking at yesterday, right? This is why we saw some altcoins start to pump within today. Like if we have a look at the most important charts, so we're going to look at audio, FET. There's a couple coins that actually pumped within today, and you can see we had, audio was 20%, TAO 18%. You can see that it's currently 307. FET 23%, 12% for Ondo, Pendle 18%. So there was quite a lot of altcoins that actually did pump quite a lot. So that was based on the Bitcoin dominance chart. You can see that this was the level that we were looking at within the week. And as long as price stays below this level, if it starts breaking this level, then the altcoins are going to get absolutely smacked. And there's a possibility of price coming down way lower for the altcoin. So just watch out for that. There is possibly more downside that we're going to experience within the week. Because remember, today is only Wednesday, and there is still 2 more days of the week left. Okay, so there's a possibility of price coming down a lot lower, especially if you look at Bitcoin. And currently what's happening with BTC is that we are seeing a little bit more downside here. We are holding 65K. Remember, that is the zone that we have to hold for Bitcoin. As long as Bitcoin does hold that zone, then we are still temporarily going to go sideways. But until then, we are most probably just going to see price come down. Okay, so we did take a short for Bitcoin, but the thing is right now, it's honestly still holding that level, right? So it's still holding that 65K level. Once we break that zone, then you're cool. We'll probably see price go down. And the same thing for Shiba. Once Shiba breaks this level over here, so this is the previous low over here. Once Shiba breaks this level over here, we're going to see price come down to that 0.001744 level. Okay, so honestly, for price to come down lower for BTC, we do need to see a break of that 65K level. Okay, because if you look at the structure on the 4-hour time frame, this is really, really bearish for Bitcoin, and we have massive imbalance within this zone over here. So as long as price stays below 66K, there's a possibility of us coming to test out these lows over here, which is honestly the level that I'm going to be looking for along. But until then, we're going to look for shorts on most of these alts, even Filecoin. Filecoin still good to enter if you guys are looking at a short here. Filecoin does look really, really good. So yeah, we are obviously shorting most coins because the market is looking really, really weak. Okay, so these are the trades that I'm in right now. You can see that we're in a couple shorts for Shiba, we're in a couple shorts for Filecoin, and we took a short for Bitcoin, if I'm not mistaken, on the setup here. Yeah, so we took a short for Bitcoin, Filecoin. So it's looking good. Market really, really wants to come down further. Shiba is looking absolutely beautiful. I do think that we're going to see a break of that 65K level for Bitcoin. So we'll probably see it in this live stream. Bitcoin still looks good to enter, but I honestly think that Filecoin's a better setup because of this level. Once this level breaks for Filecoin over here, this is the 4.413 level. Once we start breaking that low, then yeah, cool. We'll probably see price go down. But until then, we'll just have to be patient. But it's looking like we're going to see maybe a liquidity sweep to the downside, which is what I'm going to be banking on, because what I'm going to expect here is potential liquidity sweep back down to this low over here, where we'll probably take some profit, take some potential profit over here at 64,800, and then we'll see if we get like a reaction over there, because that is going to be a zone that price has been holding for the past couple of days. You can see over here, it was support, flipped into resistance, and then now potentially going to come back down to that level. So honestly, market looking very, very weak still. So that is why we are obviously shorting. You can see that we're in a couple of shorts here. But yeah, let's see what happens. I mean, it's looking really, really good for more downside. Shiba does look like more of the weaker coins, which is why we did take a short on Shiba today, mainly based that if you compare Shiba to most of the other coins, like Filecoin, you can see Filecoin is relatively strong compared to Shiba, and there's obviously a whole bunch of other coins like FTM, FET, AGIX, ENS. All these coins are relatively strong, so you want to be shorting the weaker ones because these ones are obviously doing well on the day. Okay, so Shiba, Bitcoin, Filecoin looking really, really good for more downside here. So let's see what happens. Honestly, do you think that we're going to see a lot more downside here, guys? Let's see. Shiba is looking really, really good. Okay. So yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts on the market. Obviously, I've told you guys my thoughts. Do think that there's only one way, and it is honestly down. But you can see that within this over here, I'll show you guys here. You can see that there's just been a whole bunch of outflows the last couple of days. So The last couple of days have just been outflows after outflows, which means that all the institutions are selling at these levels, which basically means that retails are being used as exit liquidity, and that is obviously why the market is dumping. Because these institutions and these hedge funds literally control most of the market share. So when they start selling, there's a huge possibility that the market's going to sell off, because retail are going to get wrecked, which is why a lot of people, when institutions are selling, they do likely get liquidated at these levels. Okay, so honestly, looking like more downside for most coins. I want to see how Bitcoin holds, but I do have something quite exciting for you guys. So basically, there's this new, almost like a GameFi. It's called Pixelverse, and basically, it's a bot on Telegram. So you know how you can play games on your phone to earn coins. So this is very, very similar. You have different types of champions, and you have to pretty much level them up and fight PvP against other players. And they will be doing an airdrop within the next couple months, so it's important to get in early for these. So make sure you guys do check this out. We will go into a bit of in depth on how to play this game in just a bit, but very, very good project. You can see the website's really good. They have a good white paper. They are listed on, you can see over here, Bybit. So very, very good exchange to be listed on as their first exchange. Very, very simple how to use. You just click play. You say open Telegram. Okay, so Telegram over here, and then it will take you to the page right over here. Let's just click that again. There we go. So you click launch bot. Okay, once you click launch bot, it's going to take you to this. You can see that your balance will start off like that, and your daily income will start off with like that. And then every 8 hours you have to collect your coins. So make sure you guys do set a reminder on your phone to collect every 8 hours. And then what you want to do is you want to click fight, and you can see that this is my first character. I have to upgrade him in order for him to get better quality. So level up for 5,000 coins. It gives you +5 random skill, and you can see he's level 2 now. So it's obviously, he gets obviously stronger. And when you fight other people, so if we click fight right now, you can see it's finding a random guy. So let's see what happens here. Yeah, so you have to click on the spot where it tells you. Super kick. You can see that I'm currently winning. So it's also like the luck of the draw. You see I missed over there. You have to kick. I'm currently losing right now. Yeah, I think his character is obviously stronger than mine. So I need to upgrade my character. But yeah, it's a pretty fun game to start playing. Obviously, if you don't have time, then you won't be able to play this game, because this game is based on how active you are. So for you guys, it's important that you are active. You can see that. Yeah, right now I need to start upgrading my guy, because we just lost to a very, very easy character. So yeah, very, very simple. You can invite friends to earn coins. You can see that if you invite friends, you get 2,000 plus 10,000 extra coins, and obviously you can use those coins for upgrading your characters and fighting against other people. Okay, so that's enough about that game. Very, very simple. It's really, really self-explanatory. I'm not going to go over that the whole time. But yeah, look at Shiba. Shiba's dumping nicely. Yeah, here we go. Filecoin, beautiful. Yeah, looking like we're going to get quite a nice move here. Looking really, really strong. Bitcoin's did it close below? It closed respecting 65K. So what does that mean? It means that 65K is the magnet for the day, but it's looking really, really weak here. So I do think that we're just going to take out those lows. I want to see if we can maybe get some other setups going here. Having a look at some other coins, but it's honestly looking like the coins that we've chosen for the day are looking really, really good. 𝗕𝗫𝗀𝗽 dumped quite nicely. CHZ's been getting smacked. I'm not gonna lie, this coin, I'm really, really like bullish on CHZ as a project, but I mean recently you can see the last time I actually looked at this chart was up here, so it's quite interesting to see. Yeah, look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin looks like it wants to come down as well. I think we're gonna get a nice little dump here, guys. I'm going to enter another short here for Filecoin. It's looking like we are going to... Bitcoin's coming down very, very nicely. Shiba looks really good. Yeah, looking good here, guys. I want to see if we can maybe catch another setup. ODO is a little bit overbought. But the problem is shorting ODO right now just doesn't really make sense to me. It's too high. Oh, we also TON looks good as well. TON. Yeah, so also shorting TON right now at the current price. I do think that we're going to see a dump here, guys. Bitcoin's coming down. Filecoin's coming down. TON looks good. Shiba looks really, really good as well. Okay, so let's see what happens. Market looks really, really weak here, guys. Remember, 64,800 is going to be our level that we want to see for Bitcoin. If price can obviously take out that low, then yeah, cool. We'll probably see 64,100. Okay. But yeah, looking weak here for most coins. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really, really weak. Shiba honestly does. Shiba literally looks like it's gonna dump really, really hard here, guys. Bitcoin's about to break. Once it breaks 64,900, we're gonna see a massive drop very, very quickly. So just be prepared for this. Filecoin's very, very strong relative to what Bitcoin's looking like, but I mean it's breaking support, so. But honestly, looking like we're going to see a massive dump here. Bitcoin about to break 64,900. Remember, once we break 64,900, massive dump. I think we might see a sweep to this low, potential bounce from this level, where we're going to start trimming some profits. So just be prepared. Yeah, look at this, beautiful. I'm going to take one position off here. But yeah, let's see. Ton looks good still for downside. Filecoin's still holding that level, right? Filecoin needs to break below this level here in order for a massive move. Let's see. Let's see. It's honestly dependent on if Bitcoin can break 64,900. If Bitcoin can't break 64,900, then we probably won't see much. But it's looking like it really wants to break. Because the thing is, we haven't seen a sweep of this level, right? 64,800 will get tapped today, definitely. Maybe not right now, but possibly right now. Possibly right now. Looking really, really strong here for a dump. Remember, my level for Bitcoin within the next couple of days might be, I'm more bearish, looking for 60 within this green box here, 64 to 62K. These are the levels that I'm kind of looking at. Let's see. Bitcoin really wants to take a nosedive, yeah. Okay. Very, very quick here. 64,900 is about to break. Once we break that, we golden. Shiba. Yeah, look at Shiba. It's getting smacked. Here we go. 64,800 almost. Remember, that's the level I want to see price. We might see a bounce there, guys. We might see a bounce there. Let's just be prepared for that. Ton looks really, really weak. So we short on Ton as well. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Everything's dumping. Beautiful. Yeah, look at that. Bitcoin about to tap our level, 64,800. Yeah, look at Filecoin. Filecoin's getting smacked. Beautiful. Okay, so Filecoin, honestly, like, could still enter now, but just be patient. So 64,800 is about to get hit here. I want to see what happens here. It's going to be interesting. Shiba's literally going to fall to the floor. Filecoin's breaking lows. Remember, Filecoin, my TP for Filecoin is quite ambitious. It's 4.2 will be the level. So there's still quite a bit of a way to go for Filecoin. And that, I mean, if Bitcoin can break 64,800, well, then Filecoin is literally going to dump really hard. We'll probably see most coins dump really, really hard, yeah. Okay. So these are the current trades I'm in. We took all these trades on the Twitter. So we posted these setups a bit earlier. So make sure you guys do follow this account. We do post these trades. These trades we took way earlier. You can see our entries were quite nice. Yeah, looks good. Honestly, looks like we might see downside. Let's have a look at Ethereum. What's happening here? Ethereum, I took this short based on the daily time frame a couple of days ago. It was actually 3 days ago. Still currently short on that. But this is, yeah, my target for Ethereum is literally around about 2,900. I honestly think that we'll probably see that. Okay. But yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Looking really, really strong here for dump. TRX, can't really do much with TRX. It's just too bullish. ODO about to break this low. For me, audio is just a bit strong. If we can maybe break this trend line over here, then yeah, cool, sells are valid. But until then, can't do much. Solana looks really weak as well. Everything's looking weak here, guys. Everything's looking really, really weak. Okay. SUI forming this nice little wedge over here. This will be a good setup if we can break below this level. 𝗕𝗫𝗄 also looking really weak. Yeah, overall, most coins not looking too great here, guys. But yeah, that's pretty much. I'm gonna start wrapping it up. I hope you guys did obviously take these trades with us. Remember to obviously have a look over here. This is my account. Essentially, this is where I do take my setups every single day. So if you click on the profile, this is where I take my trades. So make sure you guys obviously check it out. Notcoin, we had a nice 22% move the other day on Notcoin. So make sure you guys do check it out. I do appreciate everyone joining today. I hope you guys did have a good day. And yeah, I mean, look at this. Filecoin's getting absolutely smoked. Beautiful. Look at that. Filecoin. Okay, yeah. I do appreciate you guys joining. If you guys did miss the beginning, we spoke about all the targets that we are currently looking at for today. But yeah, I appreciate you guys being here. See you guys next time. I will be going live on Friday as well. So check you guys then.